So this is the 96 F350 I bought today, or yesterday rather. Just got it put where I'm going to leave it sitting until I figure out what to do with it. I like this one. It's got the bucket seats. It's also got remote keyless entry, sliding rear window. But what I really like about this particular truck, it's got a lift gate there on the back. So after my 97 the other day blew, I guess, a oil seal over there. I don't know which one of these trucks I'm going to keep and drive, but this one here is believed to have a just a fuel problem. It's got a pretty clean engine in there. It's got 263,000 miles on it. So there, it's got a fuel bowl, and that fuel bowl and the fuel pump could actually be this truck's problem. But we'll find out. It's either that or injectors is what I was told when I bought this thing. So what I really like about this truck is I actually bought it off the original owner. So this truck, I'm owner number 2. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's 5-speed. Can't stand an automatic. It's supposed to have had a bunch of work done to it at the Ford dealer, and they couldn't get any of it to work, so hopefully I'll figure out what they didn't figure out. So anyway, if not, we'll be parting out this entire truck piece by piece, and if I decide to keep this truck, we'll part out a Whitey over there. So either way, I'm going to be making videos about how to part out a PowerStroke complete. So anyway, subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. God bless. Have a good day. In Jesus' precious name. So one other thing about this truck I bought here, I'm going to crank it just a little. Let's see that clicking and see if you can recognize. It sounds like it's coming from the starter, I think, now that I've heard it again. But like I said, I've not had this truck running or anything, so I got no idea what its problem is. It looks like there's a little bit of fuel in the valley, but I'm going to have to test to see if it's getting any fuel pressure. And I guess also check the valve cover gasket and make sure that's getting juice, make sure the glow plugs are working.